Barthez très loin avec son pied gauche sur la tête de Trezeguet qui a joué la déviation. Ouais, Wiltord qui peut frapper. Oui, oui Charles, un partout, ce coup-là il l'a joué Wiltord, c'est le buteur des arrêts de jeu, notre Sylvain Wiltord. Oh, Bordeaux et Libope et toute la France qui doivent sauter de joie.
Après 3 minutes et 6 secondes
Europe. He's got one in Europe already.
Beckham in towards Schmeichel. It's comfort to White York. Cleared. Giggs with a shot. Sheringham! Name on the trophy. Teddy Sheringham. Beckham into Sheringham. And Solskjaer has won it! Manchester United have reached the promised land. Ollie Solskjaer. The two substitutes.
Frank de Boer speelt de bal. Heel goed naar Dennis Bergkamp. Dennis Bergkamp neemt de bal aan. Dennis Bergkamp! Oh! Frank de Boer speelt de bal naar Dennis Bergkamp. Die neemt de bal feilloos aan. En hij schiet de bal erin. We spelen nog officieel 20 seconden.
David Silva. Up goes Dzeko. It has gone in now. Manchester City are level, but they need one more. And we're almost dealing in seconds rather than minutes. Aguero. Balotelli. He's got it through. It's Sergio Aguero! Manchester City winner! Sergio Aguero has done it! An amazing, amazing day!
Piero with a corner. Pirlo. It's Sergio! It's Grosso! Italy surely are through to Berlin! Germany have been Azzurri are moments from glory. Gilardino, Del Piero, Berlin, here we come. The tears will flow here in Dortmund from the German fans. Alex Del Piero with the last kick of the game.
Stoppage time. Daniel Sturridge. Milner. Can he tee up someone in red? In it goes towards Lovren. Oh, he's done it! Liverpool have come back from the dead. And Dejan Lovren with a vital goal for them. Liverpool lead at last at Anfield. Iniesta's in the middle. Torres is trying to find him. It's broken for Fabregas. Now it's Iniesta. This is it. That's the goal. Spain have surely won the World Cup. Well done, Cesc Fabregas. He picks his pass out.
Quickens every time he gets on the ball, and he's found a cross. And here's Mario Götze. What a goal! What a goal to win a World Cup! A brilliant strike, which is surely enough for Germany. Mario Götze.
Modric is over there, the keeper's out, the cross is forthcoming, Krasnić! And it's him again! It's Ivan Krasnić who sends Croatia surely into the semi-finals of the European Championships. Bilic is in there, on the pitch, the game isn't over yet. He's got to smack it up into the other half. Croatia still wanting to make a substitution. The referee won't let them make it. Here's an equaliser! Oh, the drama has come in the last 60 seconds of extra time. The equaliser struck by semi-centre. I cannot believe this. 190 minutes.
Выход 1-1. Удар и мяч влетает в ворота. Роберто Баджо.
Turkey have a free kick. Coming up to 89 minutes. Shot to the net and scored a blinder! That is staggering! A minute left!
De la fin du temps réglementaire.
Benef loin devant. Attention. Attention Kostadinov.
Oh, but à 10 secondes. C'est la fin. À 10 secondes.
À 10
de la
secondes, Kostadinov qui m'a... Aïe, 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 quelle catastrophe.
10 secondes de la fin. 10 secondes, c'est le but de Kostadinov.
4 added minutes. And Gerrard! Stunning! When you need someone to stand up and be counted, to pull an absolute... Oh, as possibly bleak as this. Drogba! They've pulled the rabbit out of the hat again! Can you believe it?
You have to think about penalties before you make a substitution. Ribery with a little back heel. Robben has gone on. It's Arjen Robben! The ghost has been laid! Arjen Robben, who had a chance to win it last year from the penalty spot, has surely won the Champions League final this year in the last 2 minutes.
You know, he did miss some big opportunities in the first half, but he has.